It's very good. Yeah, R, carp. Let's see the difference, yeah. Carp, cap, carp. You can say very well, yes. Okay, this word means lovely. Can you say lovely?
Lovely.
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 Yeah, do you know what means lovely?
Có bạn nào biết lovely thì bạn nào biết theo tay đây nào?
Yeah, it means like, oh, it's so nice, so beautiful, so cute. Yeah. Oh, so lovely. Yeah. When you come to some or you see your friends, something that you like, you say, oh, it's so lovely. What a lovely, nice thing. Okay, let's say, what a lovely carp.
What a lovely carp.
What a lovely cap.
What a lovely cap.
Good.
What
What is it? How do we say it? If somebody asks you,
What is
it? How do we answer? Yeah, when somebody asks, what is it? Yeah, how do we answer? We say, what is it?
What is it?
Good. What is it?
What is it?
Yeah, one more sticker goes to you. Everybody say, what is it?
What is it?
And the answer is, you can say, it is, and then you say, yeah, it is, or you can say eats. Yeah, eats. So the question, what is it? You say, eats a carp. Or you can say, it is a carp. Very good. Okay. Next. What is it? Yes, very good. It is a cat. Yeah, we don't just say cat. We say it is a cat. Yeah, it is or it's. And some fingers here. Yeah. And first we look. And you hear your beat. Okay, ready? We can try it together. I have a cat. What a lovely cat. I have a car. What a lovely car. One more time. I have a cat. What a lovely cat. I have a car. What a lovely car. Okay, who wants to try to say it by yourself? Okay, can you try? Can you try? This also, I have a cat.